Hello everyone, so this is today's intro because I want to get this video up as soon as possible so you guys can go out and get these deals. Okay, so if you haven't used Ibotta, this is the Ibotta app I just clicked on, and as you can see you have so many stores to choose from. We have all of these bonuses that you can look at, and if bonus is basically like do this many offers and then we'll give you this amount of a bonus. There are a lot of people who may be new to Ibotta here, so I want to show you guys all the things you can get. Everything from grocery store products to personal items to laundry detergent, household products, pet products, so many things that you probably don't know you can get for very cheap, for free, or if you want to just get a couple dollars back here and there. It's totally up to you. I think Ibotta something, it's what you put in is what you're going to get out. But either way, Ibotta is super easy. So one of the best ways to use Ibotta is to use the money already in your account. And if you're first getting started, of course, you need to do a couple deals on Ibotta to get this money on your account. But once you do that, what I do is I get this money, I put it in my PayPal account, and I put it into my bank, and then I use that every time I go shopping, every time I go couponing. I use that so I don't have to pay for my couponing products. I just use my Ibotta money and then I get money back as well. So it's like continually just using that money, paying $0 or sometimes even making money on these products that you're getting. So Ibotta is super amazing. So our first deal here is this Lemon Shine dish detergent, and it's $3.97 in store. Get $2 back on Ibotta. Makes it $1.97. This pasta is $1.68. Get 75 cents back. It makes it 93 cents. This Hormel turkey and cheddar thing is $1.67. Get $1 back. Makes it 67 cents. This mussel mac and cheese is $1.88. Get $1 back. Makes it 88 cents. Okay, this Powerade is 74 cents each. When you get two of them, it's going to be $1.48 minus 44 cents. It's $1.04 or 52 cents each. These Nilla wafers I actually had to get because I'm making a special dessert and I needed them. So I just picked up this box and it was $1 back, so it made it $4.47. But this, like, sometimes you may do this. You may not get something just for the deal because it's a good deal, but because there's bonuses on Ibotta, and so you just, it's like spend or get this many offers and get this much back. I was wanting to meet a bonus this time around, and so everything I was going to get was going to be free after the bonus, and this was one of the things I was just getting for the bonus. That's why I wasn't getting so much for the deal. We could have got better deals on this. This was so much just because I needed it. Okay, this Butterfinger was 88 cents and it took off 25 cents, so it made it just 63 cents. Kraft mac and cheese was 94 cents. I got 20 cents back, making it just 74 cents. So for this deal, you can either get the 8-pack or you can get the actual bottle. I just got the 8-pack. It was $2.68. I got $1 back, making it $1.68. These wipes are $3.98. I got 25 cents back, making it $3.73. Now, I do have a bonus on this, so another bonus, and you can get $1 back on either the toilet paper or the wipes. This would be making it $2.73 if you did do the bonus on this one. Now, you can do it on the paper, which I just got both anyway, so it applied to either one. And the paper was $6.48. I got 25 cents back, and it made it $6.23. Oh, so these next two items I got at Albertsons, a store near me. It's these Kind energy bars. They were 78 cents on sale at Albertsons. I got 75 cents back and making them just 3 cents, which is awesome. So when you're in your store make sure you look at your clearance racks, make sure you look at your sale prices, your app coupons, and things like that, because this is where I really save money when you're combining coupons and sales with Ibotta. So make sure you look out for that and maybe make some time or prepare ahead to do these things. You can really save money. I highly recommend it. So this Farmer's Reserve butter was $3.99. I had a $1.50 off coupon on the app, and then I had $1.50 back from Ibotta, making it just 99 cents. So I'm going to share some more deals with you, but this is what I got from my haul. After all my bonuses and after everything came out to be free, so I'm really excited about that. But not everyone has the same bonuses and things like that. And so make sure you're just looking out for your bonuses, what's specifically on your Ibotta app, because not everyone has the same deals. But here we go with this Nivea deals, and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so I did this at Walmart, not Albertsons, Walmart. This Nivea face wash product, it's the 5 fluid ounces, it's $4.94, and you can see that you're getting $1 back from Ibotta. Now you're gonna get another one to go along with this deal. It's the cream product at $2.97. Now the reason I say to get both of these, because there's a bonus that's going to tell you to get to, and it's going to make your out-of-pocket even lower. Not your out-of-pocket, I'm sorry. Your price for each of them after the Ibotta bonus even lower. Now, if you just want to buy this cream product, you can get it for absolutely free. You're going to use that $2 coupon from the $9.27 Smart Source, and then that's going to take off $2, making 97 cents. You're going to pay at the register, but you're going to get $1 back on Ibotta, making it free and a 3-cent money maker, but it's going to be free either way. So to get these products at this price, you're going to use 2 of the $2 coupons from the Smart Source 927 newspaper. You're going to get $2 back from Ibotta, $1 from each product, and then you're going to get $1 back from the Ibotta bonus. So after everything, that's going to take off $7, making each product 46 cents each, or 91 cents for both. So this is the bonus I was talking to you about. It says 2 Nivea men offers, and it's any of those offers, but this is the best scenario that I could come up with, buying 2 of these to get this bonus. And so it's only $1 off, but it's gonna, like I said, make each one 46 cents each, which is amazing. So to get your first $10 with Ibotta, all you have to do is use my referral code if you don't have an account yet. And as soon as you redeem your first product on Ibotta, you'll get $10 on your account, which is awesome. Now I do get, I think, some money or some cash towards my way as well, which thank you so much if you use my referral code. That is amazing and it means so much. Thank you. And thank you to everyone who subscribes. I will leave so many more deals at the end of this video so you can see what other rebates that you want to do with Ibotta. Make sure you check your Ibotta account and see what specific products you have on yours. You probably have the same as mine, but you might not. You might have some different ones. So go check it out. I can't wait to hear what success stories you have with couponing, and I want to hear all about it below. So let me know what you guys think of this video, and make sure you give it a like if you did like it. It really helps out my channel. Share and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. If you want to follow me on social media, I will leave all of my social media information below. I'll see you guys later. Bye.